Hi, this is Willie Gray, and this is my PPS Journey. Well, I used to work in the Norcom shipyard, but my mother got sick, and then I resigned from that job. I can find another job, but I can't find another mother. So I went to Portsmouth Public Schools. I've been working for Portsmouth Public Schools around about 33 years. I was a custodian. After that, I was a lead custodian. And then when Mr. Bowens came and offered me a job, said, I want you to be my head custodian. You know, when I first got here, I didn't know nothing about a computer. But since Portsmouth Public Schools sent me to school to learn how to use a computer, and now I'm ready. I love my job because I like to clean. Working at Portsmouth Public School is a fun thing. If you got a good team, you got a good school. This is my PPS Journey. What will yours be?